I just wanted to take a moment to share my experience with Infinite Manifestation Code, as it has truly made a significant difference in my life. After hearing so much about manifestation, and how powerful the mind can be, I was curious, but also a little skeptical. That was until I tried Infinite Manifestation Code. I was initially drawn to Infinite Manifestation Code because I was struggling with manifesting my dreams and desires, and I felt stuck in life. After using it for just a few weeks, I started to notice subtle changes. My mindset shifted, and I began attracting more positivity and abundance into my life. It felt as though doors that were previously closed started opening, and opportunities were coming my way. The most surprising part was how quickly I started feeling more aligned with my true goals and desires. What I love about the Infinite Manifestation Code is that it's not just about setting goals. It's about reprogramming your mind to truly believe that you deserve success and happiness. The techniques in this program are so simple yet incredibly powerful. The more I used them, the more I started feeling a sense of inner peace and confidence. I felt empowered to take action toward my dreams rather than just wishing for them. The other benefit I noticed was how much more I was able to trust my intuition. Before, I felt lost when making decisions. But now, I have this clarity and trust in myself that I never had before. It's like a light has been turned on inside me, and I can see things more clearly. The program also focuses on removing mental blocks and negative beliefs that were holding me back. It helped me shift from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance, and that alone has made such a difference in my life. I no longer feel like I'm working against the universe. Instead, I feel like I'm flowing with it, and my manifestations are coming to life faster than ever before. What I truly appreciate about the Infinite Manifestation Code is that it feels so natural. There are no gimmicks or complicated rituals, just practical steps that anyone can implement into their daily life. The exercises are easy to follow, and I genuinely look forward to incorporating them into my day. The best part, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, I knew that I could try it risk-free. Honestly, I'm so glad I did because it has been a transformative experience. If you're looking to tap into the power of manifestation and transform your life, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Infinite Manifestation Code. It has helped me open up to endless possibilities, and I believe it can do the same for you.